Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Boomerang Kids Outdoor Frisbee Soft Toy Boomerangs. Gifts for boys 8 to 12 and girls 8 to 12. Outside boys toys age 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 and up. Best stocking stuffer gift ideas for kids' backyard games. Flying disc. The boomerang is back. Our boomerangs set the standard with a unique EVA ethylene vinyl acetate copolymer foam not seen elsewhere. Recognized for its durability in sports protection padding and gym tile flooring, this foam ensures strength against wear and tear, hard impacts, and water damage. This isn't just another traditional boomerang, it's made to easily fly back to you and not hurt your fingers when you catch it. Embrace the simple joy of throwing a boomerang and having it come back to you with ease. With our beginner-friendly easy-to-throw design crafted from durable EVA foam, its stable flight and comfortable grip make throwing and catching a breeze, ensuring a quick and enjoyable learning experience for kids age 6 and up. Discover a hit toy that your kids won't get bored of. Its ease of use and safe lightweight design that doesn't hurt your fingers make it an excellent toy for kids all ages. Consider adding this boomerang to your gift list to ensure your kids receive a gift they will have fun using all while being active. Number 2. TOSY Flying Disc 16 million color RGB or 36 or 360 LEDs. Extremely bright smart modes, auto light up, rechargeable, cool fun Christmas, birthday. 36 super bright LEDs as the original and patent pending invention. Our TOSY disc is 100x brighter than any other light up flying disc. It looks super cool, especially when you throw it outdoors at night. Smart modes and motion sensors easily select the brightness level and timer mode you want. LED's light turns on and off automatically for battery saving. Rechargeable 30-minute charge that lasts up to 1,000 throws at B1 and T0 modes, or a full ultimate match of 90 minutes. Package includes 1x USB Type-C to C cable, charger not included. 175 grams. Our disc meets the professional ultimate standards for long, straight, precise flights, and highly comfortable grip. It is great for freestyle tricks too. Game changer disc. Spice up your gift ideas list and favorite disc bottle and tossing games. Frisbee, Polish horseshoes or others with our highly durable, waterproof and premium discs. Number 3. 36 super bright LEDs as the original and patent pending invention. Our TOSY disc is 100x brighter than any other light up flying disc. It looks super cool, especially when you throw it outdoors at night. 2023 super cool magic flying ball. After lightly pressing the button, open the palm of your hand, hold the bottom of the flying ball, and start flying. Different throwing angles and speeds will create different flight paths and boomerang effects. If you want to stop the flight, just shake the flying space ball and stop the rotation. The colorful LEDs on the flying ball at night will make your magic ball toy even cooler. Great indoor toy. Get ready for a mesmerizing light display equipped with vibrant LED lights. Our flying ball transforms playtime into a dazzling spectacle. The hover ball toy has built-in LED lights. When the magic ball is flying, the LED lights create a captivating visual experience that mesmerizes and entertains. Our magic flying ball toy can be charged through any USB port. It takes only 30 minutes to charge, and you can enjoy the fun of the flying ball. Number 4. Flying Orb Ball. 2023 upgraded flying ball toy, hand-controlled boomerang hover ball, flying spinner with endless tricks. Spherical appearance, powerful engine, function based on aviation flight principle, which can realize a variety of flight modes. This girl toys not only brings fun to play, but also helps to improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. You can control the flying ball to float, glide and climb in the air, or throw it out and fly back like a boomerang, just like you have magic. Control the angle of the flying orb toys to change the flight path, unlock and explore endless possibilities. Let the magic happen. This hover ball is designed with dense mesh and full coverage, non-toxic high-quality ABS material, which is flexible, light, and impact-resistant. Intelligent protection. When this kid's toys hits the wall or collides with other objects, it will automatically stop flying. These toys for girls have passed the child safety test. Children can play worry-free. This cool toys is suitable for children over 6 years and adults. Whether individuals or multiple people, they can get unlimited fun through different ways of playing. Perfect to use it at home, school, party, or office. What a joyful entertainment time. USB fast charging, fully charged in 25 minutes. Supports 30 minutes for discontinuous operation, or 8 to 10 minutes for continuous operation. Number 5. Amorphous 2023 Flying Orb Ball Toy Cosmic Globe Boomerang Hover Ball Galactic Fidget Spinner. Hand drone orbit. Cool toys gift for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus year old boys, girls, teens outdoor toys. High-tech hand-controlled drone toy with cool RGB light. The flying orb toy provides intelligent flight. Different throwing angles and speeds will create different flight lines, and boomerang effect. You can use your ingenuity to create your unique way of playing. The colorful LED at night will make your magic ball cooler, lightweight and portable. This hover ball has undergone rigorous testing, made of high-quality materials, which are soft but durable, drop-resistant, lightweight and flexible. You don't have to worry that the flying toy will be damaged easily by your kids. It will stop automatically when it hit the furniture or any other pieces of stuff. USB charging. About 20 minutes full charge. 8 to 10 working duration. It enables various charging options such as charged by computer, power adapter, mobile phone, portable charger, etc. The indicator light comes on when charging and goes off when fully charged. Rechargeable and can be played over and over again.